Welcome to the Social VPS YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to log in to Forex VPS directly from your Android smartphone using the Windows app application. First, open the Windows app that you have installed on your Android phone. Then, click the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. If you see a selection like this, immediately select PC connection. Next, you will be asked to fill in several fields. In the PC name field, enter the VPS IP you got at the time of purchase. In the User Account section, make sure to select the Ask When Required option so that later you can fill in the username and password manually. If so, click Save in the upper right corner. After that, a list of connections will appear. Click on the VPS IP that you have saved earlier, then enter the username and password that you also received when purchasing the VPS. When it is complete, click Continue. And wow! If it looks like this, it means that you have successfully logged into the VPS through the Windows app on your Android smartphone. It's easy, right? Good luck! And don't forget to share this tutorial with other trader friends so that they can also log in to VPS easily via Android.